What is going on, guys? Jaden Lamb here, first responder supporter, which you guys can clearly tell of the flag, first responder supporter, police, fire, and medical. But that's not what I'm here about today. Shit. How the... Okay, I gotta pause it. How the hell did that stupid little spider get on my flag? You know what? He's gonna die. He's gonna die. That spider? But I'm not gonna hurt my flag, just so you know. I did not fucking see him, dude. Actually, maybe if... I do apologize if I cuss, because my room's infested with spiders. I will kill them eventually. I didn't fucking... What? Okay, so today, before I had that stupid spider crawl on me for no apparent reason, I think I might see if I can find him. Don't think I can. But, so, this is the little house, new house update. I swear to God, that spider was behind me. I'm gonna fucking kill him. Anyways, so to the new house update, Christine and I, if you're, wondering, we're gonna get, I did get word from my father saying we are gonna fill out the paperwork. And, I don't basically know, because I don't know if I might have to use this truck to get all my stuff. Like, for example, that's the one that's on the bed. Or possibly the flag. I will have to clean it before I leave. You know, because I respect law enforcement. So, we're going to get the insurance or paperwork for the new house. So, Christine, if you're wondering, we are probably going to get the new house right in a couple of weeks. Or in a few months, or I think. I don't know. I might be excited. If not, then we're just gonna probably be at this house time. But maybe after the video, I'll kill that spider. It will pay. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. The spiders. So I usually intend to kill spiders with this box. But seeing that how that spider got on my freaking flag somehow, then I'll kill him with excessive force. Okay. I know, I was just a little evil. But, I do want to take a second saying I'm sorry to Anton for what I said and yada yada yada. YouTube is my life and everything. Hopefully I can kill that spider that's in the corner. So, again, this is a little new house update. We're probably going to get the insurance or the paperwork for the new house. And I am not posting the new house on social media due to safety, private property concerns. No shit, Xbox. I know my batteries are low. So, basically, we're going to be waiting until the insurance is done and the paperwork. And those of you guys who are wondering... I turned off, you guys may remember like the little numbers on the like and dislike. You guys, oh, you are done. So I turned off the voting, which is the numbers for the likes and dislikes. And I don't even need to worry if you guys disliked it or liked it. So that's just a little safety concern if I like go back on my videos, tap on one of my videos, and I get mad. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, may the first responders like you remember, if you're traveling on the road, sea, or air, please stay safe, and remember, Steve Cash and Kaiser always love you, and they're always watching you. And remember, please contact me on social media like Twitter, Discord, or Instagram to figure out what's going on with my new house. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!